America's Fascination with Fast Food by Rhea Tucker. Imagine a warm, juicy, massive burger in your hands, with heaps of butter sliding down, warm buns, and water and the crisp vegetables dripping down slowly. Now imagine the smell of grease and potatoes drifting toward your nose from the small-sized french fries close to the size of a giant iPhone. As you finish up your meal, imagine that you're taking a big, sweet drink from the soda you ordered, which contains approximately half a liter of liquid for a small. Hungry? Yeah, me too. Food has always been a global phenomenon, and it represents a large part of people's cultures, especially American cultures. America's fascination with fast food has diffused to other countries. It started off in America, but then gone to North America and is now in almost every other country. Now, America's fascination with fast food has started other countries like India and Chile who offer their views on the system and have chosen to modify while adopting it. Indian culture is famous for its rich food, filled with all types of spices and sweets that exude a delicious aroma. Their delicacies have traveled far and wide and have even become fan favorites of other nations. According to Savannah Wardle in her article "England's National Dish, Chicken Tikka Masala", the Indian dish chicken tikka masala is quite literally the national food in England. Just as other countries are starting to imitate Indian cuisine, it has chosen to follow America's. Inspired by their large variety of fast food chains and choices, this country invites food chains companies to set up locations all over India, such as in this picture of a Krispy Kreme location in India itself. A young, upwardly mobile population is warmly welcoming international chains. An increasing number of young adults in India take to American-style fast food meals. The fast food industry built by America has influenced and diffused to countries who like the concept so much that they imitated it with limitations. Just as America is obsessed with eating beef, India is fixated on protecting cattle. They continue to instill this entire industry in the country, but with some sort of modifications. Similarly, other countries are wary of this concept, citing reasons such as health concerns. Latin America is another example of a rich and diverse cuisine, with a significant part of their culture. This region has so many countries, all similar, but all very from the same in terms of food, such as Chile. Now, many states in this area are substantial fast food fans, adapting the system for America similar to India. However, health officials have raised awareness of the nutrition value that comes from these foods. Now, Chile has a great emphasis on the rich and diverse food that they have, but they still chose to adopt American fast food culture. To balance out the system, the government has passed new regulations. The legislation has forces food makers to decorate packages with warning labels if their food is high in sugar, salt, calories, or fat. There will also be a ban on advertising unhealthy products to kids. This ensures that fast food system, while present in the country, will be there, but unlike America, they will try to emphasize health over cost. America's fascination with fast food and the entire industry has diffused globally to other countries, but in modified versions. India has chosen to imitate and adopt the fast food industry into the country, but decided to sell and promote certain types of food. Chile has taken preventive measures to ensure that their citizens are aware of the malnutrition that comes from the fast food they consume. Thank you.